Hey everyone! APIs and real-time data streams might sound complicated, but they don't have to be. In this video, we are building a Python script that connects to the Bybit API. It will stream live trade data and display it in a clean, easy-to-read format. Before we start, a quick note. I've already set up the project and virtual environment. If that's something you need help with, leave a comment and I might make a video on it. By the end of this, you will have a working script that's ready to use or expand. Okay, let's get started. Let's start by connecting to the Bybit API. We'll use the Pybit library to make this easy. Here's the code. The data is coming in, but it's a bit messy. Let's fix that. The timestamps in the data are in Unix format, which is not very user-friendly. Let's convert them into readable dates and times. This function makes the timestamps easy to read. Next, let's format the rest of the data. Now we'll clean up the trade data. We'll format it to include timestamps, prices, and volumes. We'll also use colors to highlight buy and sell trades, so it's easy to follow. Much better. The data is now clean and easy to read. Let's put it all together. To keep the program running and handle interruptions, we'll wrap everything in the main function. Here's how it works. This keeps the connection alive and makes sure everything shuts down properly when you stop the program. Finally, we'll add a small entry point to make sure the script runs only when executed directly. When you stop the program, you might see this message. This isn't an error, it just means the WebSocket connection closed after the program ended. Everything is working fine. And that's it. We built a Python script that connects to the Bybit API, streams live trade data, and displays it in a readable format. This is a great starting point for building more advanced tools like bots or dashboards. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more Python and crypto projects. Thanks for watching and see you next time!